back to Bushcraft Brotherhood. We are here for another episode. We are down the local woods today. We're checking out some new kit we've bought. This foldable barbecue from Go Outdoors, £17 we bought to try out. This will be good for taking out the risk of wildfires in the spring and summer months. So it's quite heavy, 1.8 grams. So for those guys and girls who are gram counting to do trekking, this might not be ideal for you. So here it is. Took it out of the box. It comes in this nice little carry case, which is not a bad little carry case. You can use it for that, or you can even use it for something else. So we take it out the bag. Here it is. Looks fairly simple to set up. It's just a stand, I believe. Use this for coal, wood, that'd be ideal, I guess. And there we have it, it's all set up, ready to go. I like it, folds down small, easy to put up, but like I said, it is quite heavy, so if you're not walking too far with kit, it will be perfect in the summer months. But yeah, it's kind of cool. £17, can't go wrong. So today, to be able to light it, we're going to be using some wood. Plenty of wood, dead wood on the floor in this wood block. So yeah, we make sure we use dead wood, not live wood. So we've got our wood ready for the fire. I've got a new bit of kit to try as well as the fire pit. This is an OEX fire stick. It's magnesium. So magnesium burns at a higher rate than like a ferro wad. So we've got this to try. Yes, so OEX from Go Outdoors. It's even got a whistle on it as well. It's a nice little safety device. So all ferro rods and magnesium flint steels, firelighters, they all come in a little protective black coating. That's just to stop it from rusting. So you'll need to scrape that off a few times before you get a spark. So I brought some tinder with me that I've processed at home. This is just from a pencil sharpener and some sticks. So I'm just going to pop that in here. This should take a spark really well. They say. Right. So unfortunately we haven't managed to get a spark from this little device, so to be fair, I don't think it's actually any good. So if you buy one of these, it's only good for a whistle. Now fortunately, I have brought my own ferro rod. It's just a normal ferro rod. This is a 8-inch. So there's plenty more room to get a spark, to strike up a spark. So I'm hoping this works better than that device. Don't ask me where I got this from, I can't remember, but it's a good little device and you get a nice big striker with it as well. So let's try this. There we go, easy as that. So let's put some wood on it.